Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Boldtrail CRM. In order to do so, here we are at boldtrail.com. And if you're interested in taking advantage of Boldtrail, you can get a demo. You can watch a video if you want some more information on that. We could take a look here at the website and see that Boldtrail combines the inside real estate portfolio of solutions into one cohesive ecosystem, powering and streamlining your workflow to drive maximum productivity. One ecosystem to scale your business. Experience the most robust next-generation real estate tech solution from an AI-empowered smart CRM and customizable IDX websites to lead generation services, recruiting tools, and powerful back-office automation. Bring your entire business together and drive scalable growth with Boldtree. Generate more leads, promote your brand, connect to your customer, transact, streamline, automate, optimize, operate your real estate business and optimize your workflows with a complete suite of tools designed to empower agents, admins, teams, and brokers alike. Analyze agent performance, pipeline, business growth, recruit top agents, top teams, top producers, report, prepare, balance, forecast, retain, engage, serve, repeat. So if you are interested in using Boldtrail, what I can tell you from looking at the reviews online is that they do seem to be generally positive. Most of them appear to be hovering at around 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is generally quite positive. So if you are looking for a CRM for real estate, then you might want to take a look at Boldtrail. Head over to boldtrail.com to get a demo and get started, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI, 60% off your subscription, and links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.